Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to public Wi-Fi on your PS5. First, from your PlayStation 5 home screen, locate and select the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Once in the settings menu, scroll down and choose the network option. From there, you will see an option to set up internet connection. Select this to begin the process of finding and connecting to a network. Next, your PS5 will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. If you don't see your network immediately, you might need to select Set up manually to initiate a new scan. Once the list appears, carefully look for the name of the public Wi-Fi network you wish to join. Public networks often have names like guest or the venue's name. Select the correct network from the list to proceed. After selecting the public network, your PS5 will likely prompt you to use a web browser. This is crucial for public Wi-Fi, as most require you to agree to terms or enter login details through a captive portal. The PS5 built-in browser will open automatically. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept the terms and conditions, or input any necessary usernames and passwords provided by the venue to gain internet access. Once you've completed the authentication steps in the browser, your PlayStation 5 should now be successfully connected to the public Wi-Fi network. It's always a good idea to test the internet connection to ensure everything is working correctly before you start gaming or streaming. You can do this within the network settings. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your online experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.